You are going to love the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.